Now arriving at Richmond. Change here for City Loop, Belgrave, Lilydale, Alamein and Glenwaverley services.
From the Street Direct service on platform number 3. And we've got the next City Loop trains on platform 8 in a minute, platform 5 in 2 minutes, or platform 8 again with 4 minutes to go. Good morning.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Richmond City Loop train on platform 8. Next direct train is to Flinders Street, here on platform 73 minutes.
Good morning, customers. The next service to depart from platform 7 will be the 757 Flinders Street, stopping all stations to Flinders Street. And always remember to touch on the lighting and start carefully.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Richmond, the City Loop train platform 8. Next direct train to the street, platform 7 on 1 minute.
Platform 6 will be the 801 Cranbourne, running express from South Yarra to Caulfield, then stopping all stations to Melbourne.
Morning everyone, City Loop train on platform 5, which takes on all stations by the move. The next direct train, platform 3, 1 minute, platform 7, 2 minutes, or platform 7 again is 3 minutes. We'll Flinders Street, platform 3, 1 minute, platform 7 in 2 minutes, or platform 7 again, 3 minutes.
City Loop service. Have a great day.
Good morning, customers. Your next service to depart from platform 4 will be the 809 Frankston, running express from South Yarra to Caulfield, then stopping all stations to Frankston.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Richmond Station, City Loop service on platform number 3. And we've got the next Flinders Street direct train here on platform 3 in 2 minutes. So if you're heading in direct to Flinders Street, we'll have a Flinders Street direct service here on platform 3 in 2 minutes time. Good morning. Good morning everyone, welcome to Richmond Station, Frankston service on platform 4. Running express from South Yarra to Caulfield, and then stopping at all stations from Caulfield to Frankston.
The 812 running express from South Yarra to Caulfield.
Morning everybody, train on platform 3 for the Street direct service. And the next City Loop train arriving very shortly on platform 8. If you can't make it there, stay on this platform. There'll be a City Loop train here on platform 3 in approximately 4 minutes time. Good morning.
Frankston train on platform 4, which train stops all stations to Frankston.
Platform 6 and clear. 453 backup service. We're arriving on this platform shortly in 2 minutes. This will be followed by a 456 Cranbourne service. Starting 8th of October, which is Sunday till the 11th of October, Wednesday after 8:30 p.m. each night, buses between Caulfield and Oakley. Also, we do have Carnegie Station and Tuesday Station closed down for level crossing removal works. Both the stations will be closing on 14th of October. Once again, we do thank you for your patience while these works happens. So, enjoy the weekend. This is your backup service. Platform 6, the service will not be stopping at Western or Yarra. Once again, if you are heading to the loop or heading to Southern Cross Station, you will go to Melbourne Station and change for City Loop service.
door is Great Lilydale line. Platform Richmond to Glenferrie, Glenferrie to Camberwell, Camberwell to Wellington. Then, stopping all stations to Lilydale.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Richmond Station. Lilydale service on platform 9. Train running express to Glenferrie, Camberwell, Box Hill, and all stations from Box Hill through to Lilydale. Platform 9 is your Glenwaverley train, stopping all stations through to Glenwaverley. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform as you're boarding. Have a wonderful weekend ahead, and thank you for travelling with Metro Trains. Glenwaverley service on platform 9. Train stops all stations to Glenwaverley. Passengers for Belgrave and Lilydale services, please stay here on platform 9. The cross on platform 10 is the all stations Alamein train in 7 minutes, followed by the stopping all stations Blackburn train in 13 minutes.
Frankston, Oxford, Dora, Armadale, Melbourne, platform 4. Carrum service on platform 4 in 3 minutes. You are heading to Lilydale, Belgrave, Ringwood, Glen Waverley, platform 9 and 10. It's a Lilydale service on platform 9 in 3 minutes.